Hey history lovers! Today I'm taking you right to the heart of Africa to explore the wild, dramatic and resilient story of the Central African Republic. Buckle up, because we're covering thousands of years in just 3 minutes. Let's rewind, way back. Before Europeans ever set foot here, this land was alive with powerful kingdoms and diverse peoples. Groups like the Zande Gabaya and Banda, each with their own language and traditions, ruled over the forests and savannas. But life wasn't easy. For centuries, slave raids from the north tore through communities, leaving scars that would last generations. Fast forward to the late 1800s, the infamous Scramble for Africa. The French swooped in, claimed the land and named it Ubangi-Shari. Colonial rule was brutal forced labor, violence and resources stripped from the land and its people. But hope wasn't lost. By 1960, inspired by leaders like Barthélemy Boganda, the Central African Republic finally declared independence. Boganda's dream was a united free nation, a tough task, but a powerful vision. But independence didn't bring peace. In 1966, Army officer Jean-Bédel Bokassa seized power. He ruled with an iron fist and in 1976, crowned himself emperor in a ceremony so extravagant it could make Napoleon blush. Bokassa's reign was a wild mix of excess and repression. In 1979, fed up with his antics, the French helped overthrow him and the country returned to being a republic. Sadly, stability stayed out of reach. Since the 1990s, the Central African Republic has been rocked by coup rebellions and horrific violence between Christian militias and Muslim Seleka fighters. In 2013, the conflict exploded, forcing hundreds of thousands from their homes. International peacekeepers stepped in, and while violence has gone down, the humanitarian crisis is still very real. Today, the Central African Republic is still fighting for its future. Poverty and insecurity are daily struggles, but there are glimmers of hope, peace talks, elections, and the unstoppable resilience of its people. Car's story isn't finished, it's a story of survival, hope, and the dream of lasting peace at Africa's heart. So there you go, the history of the Central African Republic in 3 minutes. From ancient kingdoms and colonization to coups, and the courage to rebuild, Car's journey shows just how tough the human spirit can be. If you enjoyed this quick trip through time, hit like, subscribe and ring that bell for more history in 3 minutes. Merci, and as always, stay curious.